Hey, good afternoon. My name is Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. This is a rear entry ATS conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch here, I flip it over. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip. Super simple to do, and then check it out. I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case in the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. You've got 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 32 inches of width where the ramp sets here. We got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. We can even put a third row seat that'll flip up and down. When it's not in use, it'll be up out of the way. When it's down, you could potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. We got your upgraded Q-string tie downs in here. Those are high dollar. We throw them in at no charge to you. A lot of our competitors are making you buy the tie downs on top of the price. We're giving you the crummy tie downs. We give you top notch, no additional charges. Got about 21 inches of room between these seats. We can put flip base seats that flip up on the side in this van if you choose for additional cost. Talk to me if that's something you're interested in. Headliner's in good shape. Got your rear air controls. Got your cup holders back here for your passengers in the rear. Got a nice center console there with plenty of cup holders. Got all your plug-ins for your electronics. You got more cup holders. Dual climate control. Rear air. You can sync up your phone here. Backup camera. The dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. And you got your steering wheel controls there so you can keep your eyes on the road. So we purchased this vehicle from a local family that no longer needed it. They took good care of it, so they brought it to us, and so it is a used conversion, but they've taken good care of this van. I clamp it down here, just reverse the process, and you're ready for your next adventure. You have the door here slam. As I do a walk around to the van, you can see it's very clean. It's got tinted windows, alloy wheels, and all these tires are about 10-30 seconds. Family told me they just replaced them, so they're not quite brand new, but I'm going to advertise this with new tires because they're so close to new. All 4 of them, they're matching. And the paint, you know, hard to find dent or a scratch. I'm looking for little nicks in the paint. I'm looking for little dents. I'm not going to sit here and tell you this is perfect, but for 2018, you're going to have a hard time finding a nice van in better shape. Very clean inside and out. That's one of the advantages of buying from Mobility 316. I'm the owner. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. A lot of these companies, they have someone called a buyer. The buyer gets paid $200 or $300 every vehicle they buy. They don't care if it's in good shape. They don't care if it's been in a flood. They just want that commission check, $200 or $300 bucks. Well, I care. These are my vans. This is my money. This is my reputation. This is my name. So one advantage when you buy from the owner. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of this VIN number. Why I say that? A lot of these people out there, especially Facebook Marketplace, is the worst. They're taking there's that VIN number, but they're taking pictures of our vans. They're cutting out the Mobility 316. They're advertising it as their own van for like 1/3 of the price we are. And obviously an unreal price. They're just trying to get you to send them money with your credit card or Cash App to, quote, hold the van. Once you send them the money, you're never going to hear from them again. So if you were to say to them, hey, I want you to send me a video of that VIN number, I want you to say your name. For example, my name is Jeremiah Coleman. This van's in my possession. This means the van's here with me. That's why you want that video. Make sure you get it. Don't get scammed. All right, what we do with that Carfax, we run a VIN number. We run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see no accident or damage on this vehicle. Last owned locally here in Kansas. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate and no accidents or damage. Now, no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us here on eBay. 1,513 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback for 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they're a real company and make sure you're not getting scammed. Check us out here. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from a private individual, someone they knew nothing about. They end up buying a vehicle that's stolen. Yes, people are selling stolen vehicles for cash. When the police catch up to you, you have to give the vehicle back. You will not get your money back. Or if they end up buying from one of the private individuals or one of the dealers with the 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings. Folks, if you're going to send somebody a bunch of money, take 30 seconds, look them up online, check out their ratings and reviews, see what people are saying about them. They end up with these vehicles with flood damage. They end up vehicles salvage titles they didn't know about, transmission slipping, you name it. I've heard it all. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vehicles, you do deal with that side of the business. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, we look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We do have the 1 key fob here. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do that. I hit the remote start button here. Van fires right up. So in summertime, you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, you've got that option. And of course, if it's wintertime and you want those windows defrosted and the heat ready to roll, that's also a very, very nice option to have. Inside the van, it's got the black cloth leather seats. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. It's got the power driver's seat. Nice clean interior. I'm going to open up the back here so you can see just a little different perspective and also see how clean the second row seats are as well. So very well taken care of van. When I hop in the van and I turn it on officially here with the key, you can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. 50,224 miles currently. There's that backup camera we mentioned. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors, windows and locks, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering. I'm going to show you these mirrors and all these windows working. We tested suspension brakes, tires, taking these on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, and I hope you can tell this by our video, I'm even going to show you the back vents back there, but hope you can tell that we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection. Underneath the hood, it's got the 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or any kind of fluid leaks. There's a little bit of surface rust right there. That's to be expected. This van is now 6 years old. You're going to have a little surface rust on it. No big deal. No signs of any flood damage or water damage or anything like that. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 50,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And that's the absolute most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. And I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with somebody reputable and honest? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and never been in a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less detailed videos of the undercarriage, so I can see there's no signs of any flood damage down there, no bent metal from an accident? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with somebody shady? Well, if you can't get a title, you can't register it when you can't drive it. What if you end up buying a vehicle that's got major frame damage, whether it's from a flood or an accident? Well, it may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, guess what? You just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, I spend a lot of money every month on Carfax, thousands of dollars. But I run a Carfax on every single vehicle before I buy it. And I do that because I truly mean this. I'm buying from your perspective. I want a nice, clean vehicle. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. We've gone over this a little bit. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Put your work into it, find out who you're buying from. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is demand that warranty. We stand behind our products. We make sure each one of them come with a warranty. So let's get it out on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift smoothly through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. I got it up to right around 70 miles an hour. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. Do keep in mind, we do offer our complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties that are bumper-to-bumper, factory-type warranties. Those go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. You'd be surprised how affordable they are. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they've got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that really nice price you saw online, it just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. One thing I forgot about this van, also has the navigation. Very few of the SE Pluses have the navigation, so something super cool on this van. Very rare, but that only benefits you. But wanted to show you that radio works as well. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct number to reach out to me to my cell phone, call or text, whichever is easiest for you. And I want to challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that pushy used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And back to those fees, like I mentioned, all the hidden fees. Sorry, I kind of jumped around on this video, but my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of the vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it that salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, and attempts to be 100% transparent. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but it's a very detailed video. It's a big purchase. We try to be as detailed as we possibly can on our videos. And if you'd like to give us a thumbs up here on YouTube, we'd really appreciate that. Help us out a little bit. Give us a follow if you want to be one of the first to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you would like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.